Have you ever wondered what's underneath the surface of a small creek? With environmental loss and pollution, there are drastic changes to ecosystems, resulting in the loss of biodiversity, or the genetic variety of living organisms on Earth. Some invertebrates that you can see with your eyes, called macroinvertebrates, can help us assess the health of a creek since some organisms are more sensitive to pollution. In this science project, you'll assess the impact of pollution on macroinvertebrate populations and use them as indicators of polluted waterways. First, identify a shallow creek or stream from which you can sample. Review the local water authority requirements and recommendations, or consult with your local environmental center to get permission to survey the waterway and ensure that it is safe to be in and sample from. When sampling, we recommend wearing waterproof shoes to protect the organisms in the creek and yourself, particularly if the local waterway is considered polluted. Look for obvious signs of pollution in the creek by collecting and counting the pieces of trash from the creek area you plan to take samples from. Fill the collection container and sorting container with creek water so that the macroinvertebrates you collect will stay alive during collection and sorting. Next, carefully go to the middle of the creek and pick up a rock submerged underwater. Slowly flip it over to reveal any macroinvertebrates and to prevent them from falling off the rock. Transfer the rock to your collection container on the creek bank. Then gently transfer the macroinvertebrates using a forceps or tweezers to your sorting container. Do your best to sort them into similar looking groups to make it easier to count each type. Once you've collected the macroinvertebrates, return the rock to the creek. Repeat for an additional 4 rocks at this location and 5 more rocks at an upstream or downstream location for a total of 10 rocks sampled. Identify the organisms collected using a macroinvertebrate identification guide or by taking a picture of the macroinvertebrate and using AI tools such as Google Lens to help identify them. Once you've identified the macroinvertebrates, gently return them to the creek. For more detailed instructions on how to do this science project yourself, use the link in this video's description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.